everyone, how are you doing? Let's make coffee jelly for our bubble tea. First, brew the coffee we like according to the measurement of the gelatin powder. Pour coffee to a pot, turn on low heat, add gelatin powder. I should have just bought the clear jello instead, but I didn't think of it when I was shopping. Oh well. Mix well and cook for another 30 seconds to a minute to make sure all the gelatins are dissolved. Then we'll pour the mixture into a container. It's better to find a container that will just make one layer of the coffee jelly size we like, so it's easier to cut later. Let the mixture cool down or until it's hardened. Once that's ready, cut to the size we like. I added water to keep the jelly moist because I will use this for quite a few drinks. Then we'll make our milk tea, so that's tea, milk or cream, then sugar, some ice. Now we can add our jelly into the mix. I saw this brown sugar bottle at my local market, so I've been drinking some brown sugar milk tea with this. And that's it, super simple and wonderful drink. Enjoy! Thank you for spending time with me. See you next time. Bye!